What's up, everybody? TDBaseballcards here with another box break video. Today we have a box of 2022 Topps Baseball. This is Series 1. We are going to have 7 packs plus 1 commemorative relic card. Alright. Let's see what we're going to find inside. First pack, here we go. Hae-Sung Kim, Bruce Zimmerman, Zach Eflin, Zach Pop, Drew Smiley, Rockies, Diamondbacks, Tony Kemp, Kelenic Future Stars, JT Realmuto, Zach Thompson, Wilson Contreras, Chris Bryant, the Chrome Stars of MLB, and Fernando Tatis Stars. Alex Kirilloff, Keston Hiura, Kyler Muller, Chris Bryant, Yankees, Didi Gregorius, Logan Gilbert. Moving on for the Dodgers, Merrill Kelly, Edwin Diaz, Hoy Park, Xander Bogaerts, Johnny Bench, little die cut, Stars of MLB, Yelich. All right, next pack. Solak, Will Smith, Cesar Escobar, Trevor Rogers, Christian Pache, Curtis Terry, Tatis Alonso, home run leaders, ERA leaders, Jake Berger, rookie, Rizzo Iglesias, Taylor Rogers, Mason Thompson, home run challenge, Wander Franco, and Lou Bob, Stars. This one has the smaller relic in it, so we'll let that one go off. Conforto, Max Krennic, rookie, Clayton Kershaw, Jose Barrios, Luke Williams, Brett Gardner, Tyler Glasnow, Taylor McGill, Walk-Off Water, Yankees, Adam Wainwright, Joey Votto, Justin Dunn, Michael Brantley, Vlad Jr. Stars. Pedro Severino, Chad Pinder, Jake Cousins, Christian Walker. Strikeout leaders, American League Toronto, Trevor Story, Josh Reddick, Vlad Jr., Garrett Hampson, Mike Zuno, Cesar Hernandez, welcome to the show, Votto, Stars of MLB, Hart Kershaw, Fernando Tatis, Christian Vasquez, Bryce Harper, Patrick Mazeika, Drew Ellis, RBI leaders, City of Walk-Off Love Phillies, RBI leaders, Mike Yastrzemski, Hanser Alberto, Chris Flexen, Alex Bregman, Jason Hayward, little Paulo Acuna Stars. All right, let's do this pack. Austin Hedges, Yadier Molina, Jake Rogers, Kyle Gibson, Robbie Grossman, strikeout leaders, Ben Gamel, Aldis Chapman, Teddy Jansen, Mookie Betts, Bobby Dahlback, Omar Narvaez. We got the Stars, Brian Hayes. We've got a little Brian Hayes, Topps 87. And Wander Franco, jersey medallion. All right. That's it for the break. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.